Pohoršujúci level prístupu ku výrobnej linke, ktorý dala Tesla Sandymu, neuvidíš pri žiadnom inom novom produkte.
None. This is going to be a brilliant video. Are you kidding me? Huh? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Pretty cool. Oh my God. Look at that. I've seen lots of stamping lines, but straightening stainless.
We're about 80% utilization on the
80?
painting. Yeah.
80. That's amazingly high.
Yeah, it's usually 60, 70, right? But
well, around 45.
okay,
45,
if you're
50.
bad at what you do, sure.
I'm looking at.
Yeah, if you look at the whole
even
vehicle.
Well, the whole vehicle.
But basically, we get coils in, we feed them in on this side, and out on the other side comes micron precision level blanks.
So this is the first of its kind laser blanking line. What it does is it takes coils, it unwinds them, and it's taking out the internal stresses from the raw material, and they're flattening the part.
So just out of curiosity, what's the thickness of the material?
So we have two thicknesses. Our doors are 1.8 millimeters thick, and all the other parts, like the sails, the hoods, are 1.4 millimeters thick.
1.4.
Correct.
And we worked hard to get that strength up on the stainless, because the original we were about 2.53, but we actually increased the strength of the HFS over time.
HFS je hard fucking steel.
So we're able to get, while doing that with the ductility for forming, we're able to still get that strength and bulletproof toughness.
Yeah, yeah.
With having a thinner material.
Cool.
Correct. So this is actually designed for 3 millimeter, but it's good that we're not using it.
That's where we started.
Yeah, correct. It's being unwound as we speak. It's going through the leveler or straightener, depending on what you want to call it. Then it's going into the laser booth, which is what you see right over there. It's airtight, light tight because of emissions and whatnot. And these are two lasers working in tandem. And right now what's being cut is the hood for the Cybertruck. It cuts up to 30 microns, and it's the first laser of its kind to do that. Typically these machines cut at 1 millimeter. This was a special development with Tesla and Schuler.
You can see we're stacking them here.
Parts actually come
And then
through.
come see it drops one.
Yeah.
The only thing that really can scratch HFS is HFS.
That's right. Most companies will have the stuff coated. It'll have a plastic film, and you don't.
No,
Correct.
So this is kind of big stuff all by itself.
So typically we have a periodic quality check. So just watch your eyes, everyone.
Yeah, it's gonna turn on.
Yeah.
So you can see this level of micron precision here. You know, Elon's been pushing us on. You can see some of these 0, 7 microns, 15 microns, 26, 2, 26. These are pretty intense levels of precision.
Yeah.
Skôr bezprecedentné úrovne precíznosti.
Forming stainless as an A surface is kind of hard. I think we have the world's fastest, first, only high-speed A-class surface stainless press.
We're making 10 strokes per minute over here. That's the
10
press, 10
strokes
strokes
per
per minute. So roughly 600 an hour to 100%.
V tomto bode stojí za to pripomenúť, že Sandy a jeho spoločnosť sa živí zlepšovaním dizajnu produktov a výrobných procesov iných firiem. Tejto práce má až, keďže slabých dizajnov s prehnane komplikovanou výrobou je viac ako softvérových inžinierov Volkswagenu. La exempla, jednoduchá vec ako stredový panel huňošky jódovej, na ktorú sa pozrel s Tylerom,
I'm here with Tyler, and
ktorý má Sandyho rád minimálne tak ako ja.
I don't exactly know what's going on, but I already don't like whatever this is.
Sa skladá z takmer 500 súčiastok.
I can make another car out of this.
Váži 13,5 kg.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
You have to manually adjust the center console like this. Yeah, I have to use some muscle power and then
A keby som v tomto momente nezrušil Tylerov hlas, Sandyho by už neudržal ani ten stôl. Poskladanie máš hotové za 2 týždne.
Okay, so
S nadčasmi.
okay, I see lots of stuff, and this is not.
Not done yet, Sandy.
Not done. I'm really shocked. I did get caught off a little bit off guard here, Tyler. Anyways.
Kontrast.
Yay! Here we are in front of the Tesla Model Y. And it's a nice thing to give to the customer extra space for storage.
Yay! So roughly 600 an hour to 100%. Again, this is the front door inner like our standard dual, and then this is the lower half.
Wow. That's pretty nifty. I've never really stamped stainless steel without a coating.
I don't think anyone has.
So, well, there may be, but not me.
Certainly not for like an A-surface quality part. Like there might be people making it, you know, maybe like stainless steel pots and pans, but then they polish them, right? And they make them.
Yeah, well, yeah, polishing is, that's the biggest cost with pots and pans.
Yep.
The stamping and whatnot, deep draw, whatever.
Super easy, right?
No problem. This, though, is something I've never seen before. I've never, is it?
It's actually the whole material. It's not coated.
This is aluminum bronze?
Yeah, like the whole
and you can stamp with it? Well, there you go. Two things I would have never guessed. Yeah.
All right, should open up. Yep, now it's opening up. And you'll see that's the fully formed door ring that I was talking about.
Here's what they look like when they're done. This is a body side inner.
No, I've seen a lot of this, so
Probably
all this stuff
never
looks
this big.
about, no, I haven't seen one this size.
So this is our true bender. It's from Trump. Works special on this. This is the air bender I was telling you about. We have one of these for each panel. So that's it. That's the whole thing that does all the metal for me.
That's a lot simpler than I thought.
Simple is usually better.
Yeah.
So this is a rear door. I mean, you can see on these panels over here. You look on the back side. You can see where you can even see where the air is blown off the dust.
Yeah.
But you come over here, nothing.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Well, the 1.4 is actually pretty bullet resistant too, but this is actually, takes about 75% of the side crash loads, just through the panels itself.
Takto tenký plech vybaví 70% bezpečnosti pri náraze. No ak ho použiješ 3 mm, môžeš s tým letieť do vesmíru.
So, you know, we wanted that extra thickness for the stiffness. So the tolerances have to be basically micron level precision in order to get the two together. So this is a part as it comes out. You can see the laser welds coming here.
I already got it now. I didn't think of that.
This is a completed part after finishing.
Cool.
You can see these one better.
But these are all exposed in the end. There's no paint, there's nothing. That's what we got.
Yeah. Marvelous.
So this whole process runs at a cycle time about 40 seconds when we're at full speed. And we could go faster, but
40 seconds.
Yeah,
40, well.
80.
Wires that go across the car has been reduced dramatically, half.
Half. That's got to be 15 kilos or something like that.
The number of wires that go across the car went from 490 to 155. So everything in the car goes over one communication link.
And what you basically have at that point is a software-defined network. Millisecond scale latency and microsecond scale synchronization.
Yeah, microseconds.
I think if we do this for another vehicle,
I feel high strength steel here. So you can just, you know.
It's the world's largest door ring. Hot stamp door ring. We do it in house, right? There's no skin over this. This is the A surface or the B+ surface that's on the door inner. And it's simply coated with a black powder just for aesthetics, basically. So we're looking at a clean surface here, but it's high strength boron steel.
So is this like 8,000 tons?
No, this is actually a 6,500 ton. The rear,
Are you kidding me?
The rear is 9,000 tons. Yeah.
How? Okay, so
and then we flow it all out, and we do it like a river, because like liquid metal wants to move like a river. By integrating the design of the part into the design of the tool, we actually can make this front one on the same tool, equipment as we make the Model Ys.
That's
not the rear one.
That's amazing. I don't know enough about this aluminum to really. I mean, we did an analysis on it, but I've never worked with anything quite as exotic as this.
So yeah, this is the same 4th generation drive inverter that you can get on like a performance Model Y today, is also in the Cybertruck. And with a single one of these drive units, and this doesn't look very large, this moves the whole truck in under 6.5 seconds in the rear wheel drive configuration and can still tow 7,500 pounds. So,
What is the top speed?
130.
Yeah, 112 for the lower. I mean, that's one of the coolest things about Cybertruck. The mass of the thing is just like, it's about 2950, 2980 kilos. It's like normal big truck stuff. Right. Even though we've got, massive, I don't want to, bullet resistant doors and, 3 motors in it and giant battery.
If you can reduce a lot of the internal structure, doublers and triplers and whatever.
For all of
it. Yeah, that's a good idea. I can hardly wait to see who comes in second.
You've taken apart a couple power conversion systems, I know.
Yeah.
So this is
none of them look like that.
This is the next generation. We've accomplished a doubling of volumetric efficiency. One of these PCS2s in the truck does 11.5 kilowatts continuous, bidirectional on the charge port. So you can power the house.
Okay, so that's the other question I had. Can I power my house?
You can power your house, 11.5 kilowatts continuous, 110 amps of like inrush current capability for, you've got your air conditioning units or whatever in the house. And we've got 3 kilowatts of 48 volt power, all in this object. You've got your 4 power stages there.
Cool, pretty cool. You can't go wrong with that. Yeah. So lock to lock, what have we got?
Less than 1. It's 340 degrees.
That's a good idea. What about? Cool.
Tesla si môže dovoliť flex verejnou ukážkou svojej technológie, pretože dokým niekto skopíruje jej prelomové procesy ako vlastný recept nerezu HFS, rezanie laserom s presnosťou mikrónov, jediná liatina formy hliníkového bronzu, s ktorým môžeš lisovať nerez najvyššej triedy povrchovej úpravy, bez akejkoľvek povrchovej úpravy. Špeciálna ohýbačka s vysokým tlakom vzduchu, ktorý pôsobí nad plechom ako vankúš, takže sa ho pri formovaní ani nedotkne. 1 gigabit Ethernetu vo vozidle, milisekundová synchronizácia celej siete elektroniky auta, 75% menej káblov, vlastný software na simuláciu liatiny pod vysokým tlakom, ďalšia generácia systému na premeny energie s výkonom 11 kW, aj keď to najlepšie tam zatiaľ chýbalo. No ten sa nebude používať len na výrobnej linke, pretože stále existuje niekto, kto je na tom horšie ako ty. Ľudia, ktorí zametajú radioaktívny odpad, starší ľudia odkázaní na pomoc v domovoch dôchodcov, alebo ľudia bez rúk, ktorí sa snažia ustlať si posteľ. Nevadí, ak nie si technický typ. Stačí si zapamätať Sandyho výraz, keď je v šoku.
Again, this is the front door inner like dual, and then this is the lower half.
Ten neuvidíš často.